Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, June the 14th, 2019. Let's go ahead and jump in and see how these markets ended up. And we're going to go ahead and start out with the diamonds. And you can see here on the dailies, we've been in a range all week. In fact, a low range, with the exception of on Tuesday. You can see here on the weekly candle, we've got a nice doji candle, but we closed near the top, so we have a big, wick on the bottom. So that's a good sign. If we can break the high next week, hopefully we'll be off and running. With it kind of consolidating here on low volume, that appears to be a bullish sign. On the monthly, you can see here we're approaching the all-time highs once again. So hopefully the third time will be a charm as we get to that, and we can break on through to the other side, as they say. And now with that, let's go ahead and move on to the spiders and take a quick look how they are. And once again, you can see here we've had this low range all week long, just sideways consolidation. The exception was Tuesday, where we had the larger volume. We've got that doji candle here, but it is above last week, so all looking good. Same thing. We had the high here. We set a new high here, a new high here, and we're approaching it again. So hopefully not only will we go up there and touch it, but hopefully we can continue to break through on the spiders. So looking good there. And on the Qs, let's see if we have much of the same story. A little bit more of a chop here. A lot going on with the semiconductors and the trade, etc. But nonetheless, we still closed above last week's total. We do have the wick here, so we kind of have it on the top. So we'll have to see what happens with the Qs next week. But once again, pretty much holding most of the moving averages. We are below the 50, so that is some concern there. So we're going to want it not to break down too much further, but let's see what happens there. And now let's go ahead and bring the Holly charts into me. Now that I'm just doing the update once a week with the video, we have it all here, so you can see the where all the trades were for the week. Monday the best one was risk off at a 50-cent loss. On Tuesday, our best mode was the full risk at $1.13, but $1.14 was the risk off. On Wednesday, we made $2.66 in the full risk category. On Thursday, $4.33 in the risk on. On today, Friday, we lost 21 cents in the risk off. And for the week, risk off was the winner at $1.58. So that is your update today for Holly and the market. I ask you to subscribe to this channel. You're going to see the pop-up there. You can just click on that over on the top left. On the right, there's going to be another pop-up. I have a video with all kind of free stuff from Trade Ideas to help you with your trading. Ebooks and all kind of good stuff there. So go ahead and take advantage of that. And if you like this software, go ahead and see in the YouTube comments the arrow pointing down there, and you can have a code to save you 15% on your first month or your first year. And hey, remember to smash that like button for me. Hey, thank you and God bless.